Hello everyone. Now this video will teach you how to use the Dolphin DVR to recover the lost videos for the DJI UAV system, the DJI drones. And we know the DJI drones digital cameras are very common worldwide, and when users lose their valuable videos of the DJI drones, then users need to manage to get the lost videos back. Now we can see this is the digital camera video data recovery software. Users just select the image file or the SD card within the DJI drones digital cameras, and then users select the DJI UAV system. After that, users just need to select the DJI models. Like we can see here is the model list supported for DJI drones. So we can easily, if the models are not listed there, users can select the unknown device video system and extract the sample videos from the DJI drones. After that, users can use the deep analysis to recover the lost videos from the unknown DJI models. But if the DJI models are already available here, then it is very easy. Users just need to select the image file or the DJI drone SD card, save card, etc. and select the DJI, select the models, double click and set up the new project to analyze the fragmented video files for the DJI drones, and then the Dolphin DVR software will start the auto video data recovery from the DJI drones. So this one, it is very easy. If users have the Dolphin DVR, the digital camera video data recovery software, then users can get the lost videos back easily. So this is the support list for all the DJI models. Please note, if models are not listed here, users can select the unknown and select extract sample videos or develop. After this one, then use this one, develop analysis to get the lost videos back. So it's very easy and successful. Thank you for watching the video.